Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can contact someone on WhatsApp without saving their phone number. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Then tap on the new chat button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next screen, tap on the search bar at the top. Now type the phone number of the person you want to contact. Make sure to enter the number correctly, including the country code if required. After entering the number, WhatsApp will search for that contact. If the number is registered on WhatsApp, it will appear in the search results. Now tap on the chat button next to the number. As soon as you tap on it, the chat window with that contact will open. You can now send messages, photos, videos, or any other content to that number without saving it in your contacts list. This is a quick and convenient method when you need to contact someone only once and don't want to save their number permanently. And that's it. This is how you can contact someone on WhatsApp without saving their phone number. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.